If you uploaded the image banner to your Shopify collection and it's still not visible on the site, it's most likely this feature is simply deactivated in the theme settings. And just to show you an example, I've added the collection description and the image to the all collection, but if I refresh it on my site, as you can see, it only shows the collection description. There is no image available. So in this video, I'll show you how to re-enable the collection image within the theme settings. And for the purpose of this example, I'm using Dawn theme. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account and then click on the online store. Now let's locate Dawn theme. In my case, it's version 15.2.0, and then select customize. Then at the very top, click on homepage and then select collections. Then click on default collection. Then on the left under template, click on collection banner. Then on the right side of the screen, look for collection banner settings. And there should be an option to enable the collection image right here. Let's enable it. Let's save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update. Let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, collection images should now be visible right here at the very top, just beside the collection description. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.